Yes, yes. Give it up for me. Do it again. I love this. I love it here. I love y'all. This is amazing. This is incredible. I love it here. I hate this, but I love it here. I hate that so much. The worst thing I've ever seen. This is nice, ladies of late night. This is a beautiful thing, late night. I love this. What a wonderful thing. Jimmy Fallon was the first white man I ever loved. No, he was. He was the first white man I ever loved. And then I remember that I had seen him in Taxi, where he played this white cop, and I remembered every interaction he had with Queen Latifah. And I was like, no, I'm gay as fuck. I'm gay, actually. I had to change it up completely. You know what I mean? I'm not going there anymore, you know. I came out of the closet before the quarantine. Came out before the quarantine. I came out about 10 years before the quarantine. It's an old joke. It's an old joke, but I'm going to do it tonight, you know. It's a special occasion, so. I was so bored in that quarantine. I was so bored in the quarantine. I remember I came out of the closet again. I did. I came out of the closet again. I texted the family group chat. I'm like, hey, Mom, I'm very gay. She was like, why are you doing this again? Why would you do this? Why would you do this again? I was like, Mom, I'm bored. It's Tuesday. I want you to lose your mind again, you know, spice it up. Family's always asking, you know, what kind of gay you are, or what kind of gay, you know, what kind of gay are you, you know? And I kind of sometimes every other day I kind of feel like I'm still trying to figure out my identity, you know, what I want to define as, or what I want to, you know, my pronouns to be. Today my pronouns are her, she, and queen, her, she, queen, if you may. Sometimes I want to be they, you know. Sometimes I want to. Yeah, I don't mind they, you know. I think it's a beautiful thing. They is a beautiful, beautiful thing to me. I don't mind they. I don't mind them. But to me, they and them just sounds like you're inviting more people over to my house than I had invited. You know what I'm saying? Them's coming over. I'm like, oh no, now I got to clean my house, you know. I only got one chair. Where am I supposed to put them at? They and them, you know. I remember my mom, when I came out, you know, my mama said, Bree, please tell me the quarantine didn't make you gayer. That was the text she sent back. She said, the quarantine make you gayer, you know. I was like, no, Mama, no, the quarantine didn't make me gayer. Mama, come on. Come on, Mama. What happened was this girl was walking, right? She was walking and she tripped, and her tongue accidentally landed on my labia. She's like, okay, as long as it's not the quarantine then, as long as it's not the. So we're in a better understanding. I don't know how y'all felt about the word labia, but think of it as your old hometown, you know, first place you ever lived, you know. Think of it like that. Sometimes it helps when coming out. Sometimes it helps, you know, talk about other celebrities that have came out, other, you know, gay popular celebrities that have possibly came out of the closet. You know what I'm saying? That you know, that kind of helped my family. You know, when they would come out, it'd be like, oh, see, you know, look, you know, Niecy Nash is gay, Mom. You know, come on. She's like, okay, who else? You know, I was like, oh, I don't know, Mom, Audre Lorde, come on. She's like, who else? I'm like, SZA. Think it's SZA, Mama, come on. SZA was playing in the background. She's like, SZA's gay? I was like, yeah, Mama, SZA gay. Come on. Y'all know who SZA is, right? Right? SZA came out of the closet a few years ago. Y'all know who SZA is, right? Come on. Right?
No, I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back.
We know, right? I forgot I told him to do that. I was like, what the hell is that? Who did that? Thank you, Mickey. What's crazy to me is that when I was telling her SZA was gay, I was like, that's crazy that we are just now realizing that a girl named SZA is gay. You know what I mean? Her name is SZA, right? It's in the title. She's gayer than all of us, right? I used to slay boys, okay? I used to slay boys. I want to make sure that's very clear. You know what I'm saying? I used to slay boys, okay? Okay, so I used to eat these boys up. I used to point at boys and they would explode. You know what I'm saying? Right? I just point and they'd be like, oh, my leg, you know. Loved it, loved it. I have a black girlfriend now. Nobody asked, but maybe you should just know. You got to tell people when you started off your set with, I used to love a white boy named Jimmy Fallon. You got to let it know. You know what I'm saying? My name is Bree, y'all. Thank you so much.
I'm so